In this video, I will show you how to remove PDF restriction or password from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up, drag the PDF file into Acrobat. So I'm going to move to the slider right here. This PDF right here, I will simply drag it and drop it right here. And just like what you see right here, it requires password. What you want to do is to go ahead and enter your password to open the PDF. Okay, so once you enter your password, so after you open up with the PDF, next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, go to menu, come down below right here until you get to protections, go to security property right here, and then you're going to come to the security section tab right here. Make sure you click on password security and switch to no security, and this is going to pop up right here. Then hit on OK, then come down below right here and hit on OK, and boom. Lastly, go ahead and click on here menu. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on save, and then you are done. By the time you go back to the PDF, so we have it right here. If I open up the PDF right now, it's going to automatically load up in my Adobe Acrobat. It's that simple. So this is how to remove restriction or password protected from PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.